Hello, welcome back. Let's revise a few suku kata. Sa, na, ka, ba, ta, ma, pa, si, ni, bi, mi, ki, ti, pi, su, nu, bu, mu, ku, tu, bu. Now let's read some words. Here we have a, and this is ba. Put them together, we have a, ba. A, ba. Apa means what? Apa ini? What is this? Here it's a. This is b. Put them together. A, b. A, b. Can you remember what api is? Yes, api is fire. Here we have ba, and this is ba. Put them together. Ba, ba. Ba, ba. Which one is ba, ba? Yes, he is the father. Ba, ba. Here it's ba, and this is su. Put them together. Ba, su. Ba, su. Basu is the vase. Here it's ba and a single sound s. Put them together, we have bus. Here it's ki bus. Can you remember what kipas is? Yes, it's a fan. Now, let's read some sentences. Here we have ba and s. Put them together, we have bus. This is a bus. Notice that the spelling of bus is different in Malay and English. Here it's apa itu. What is that? Okay, we say that, itu, when the object is far away. Apa itu? Kata Ani, says Ani. Kata Ani. Apa itu? Kata Ani. Itu bus. That it's a bus. Who said that? Kata ibu, said mom or mother. Ibu. Kata ibu. Itu bus. Kata ibu. Let's read this again. Apa itu? Kata Ani. Itu bus. Kata ibu. Apa ini? What is this? Apa ini? So when we use ini, the object is near. Kata Ina, says Ina. Apa ini? Kata Ina. Ini pasu. This is a flower pot. Kata Bapa. This is a flower pot, says father. Ini pasu. Kata Bapa. Let's read all the sentences again. Apa ini? Kata Ina. Ini pasu. Kata Bapa. Okay, so that's all we have for now. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Bye-bye. See you again.